This next to me is the DDJ 400 from Pioneer DJ, and this DJ controller has been dominating the budget DJ controller market for quite some time now. Today we're going to unbox this and see what's in the box and also answer a very important question. Is this DJ controller still worth buying in 2020? Let's find out. Hey, what's good you guys? My name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks, and also unboxing just like this to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So the DDJ 400 was released back in June 2018, and ever since the DDJ 400 looks the same even today. They haven't done any upgrades. They don't have like a DDJ 400 plus version or anything of that sort, mainly because it was very much loved by everyone and they were all happy. The users were all happy with what it was offering out of the box. And what they have done recently is that they have released a few color options like the white and the gold. The gold is the most recent, but this one here is the classic black version. Let's quickly unbox it and see what we get in the box, and then we'll talk about, is this still relevant in 2020? Alright, there you have it. This is the DJI 400 box, and as you can see, it is imported in June 2020. So this is the latest box. The only change that I see from the older box is the integration with DJ algorithm right outside the box, and now which means that it is also compatible with an iPad. That's about the top, and at the back you can see that this is how the DJI 400 looks. It's got all of the information about what it has to offer. All of the features are available at a glance. And as you can see, this is the Soundglitz sticker. I got this from Soundglitz here in Bangalore. I will leave a link to that in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out. Now let's quickly unbox this and see how and what we get in the box. There you have it. Let's get rid of the knife. There you go. Are you ready with me? Let's do this. And as you can see, this is the DJI 400, and now it is compatible with the DJ app from Algorithm right out of the box. That's the bill, and that's all the information that you will need. Do you even read this? Let me know. And then is the controller, and I think under the controller is the manual, and that is something which you still get. This is the DJI 400 manual, but there are a lot of videos available online, so you will not have to use this manual ever again. Here you get the DJI 400 cable. This cable is the regular USB type A to type B cable, and that is available in the box for you to get going as soon as you unbox it. Now let's quickly remove this from the box. Get rid of the box now. And there you have it. This is how it comes packaged in the box. I'm going to remove the thermocol. That's one thing about these DDJ controllers, they pack really well. Store these so you have better resale value when you want to sell them. So there you have it guys, this is the DJI 400 and it looks exactly how we expect it to look. The beautiful standard design, this brushed plastic body, and there's amazing smooth jog dials and amazing tempo faders and the loop buttons. You also get the record box DJ sound card from Pioneer DJ, and you also have the mic input available with this. And then let me just quickly tell you what's on top of the controller, the layout. Let me explain the layout for you guys. On the top you have the in and out loop buttons and the reloop exit button to exit from the loop. Then you have this amazing call and loop cutting buttons on top of the DJI 400, along with beat sync, which also doubles up as the tempo range by pressing the shift button. And then comes this beautiful jog dial, which is just the right size and it's extremely smooth. Then at the bottom you have the play pause button and the Q button, play pause button here and the Q button. This is a replica of this, if you know the DDJ controllers, and between is the mixer. These rubber pads are amazing. They feel great. very nice. Then the hot cube, beat loop, beat jump, sampler, and keyboard, pad effects 2, and key shift. All of these functions are available on the DDJ 400. And on the right is the same. In the center you have the mixer section with the up faders, the cross fader, the Q button for your headphones, the 3-band EQ here up top with the gain knob as well, which is not available on the DDJ 200, for example. And then you have this browse button, which also doubles up as the select and back button. And then next to the browse button you have the load buttons, which also doubles up as the instant double buttons. I've shown you that feature on the Nexus 2, and it's the same function. You long press on it and you can just instantly double the track from deck A to deck B or deck B to deck A. That's the feature. And then you have the master volume, which you can control your sound card with. At the bottom you have the headphone jack over here. And another great thing you have is the filter knob. Low pass filter on the left and high pass filter on the right. This is how you control your headphones, and this is your effects section. You can also select your effects using this button, so you don't have to constantly touch your computer. And that is the great feature about this DDJ controller, and that is that it allows you to do a lot of the things within this controller itself without having to touch the computer a lot of times. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and an overview of the DDJ 400 in 2020. And I got this DDJ controller from Soundglitz here in Bangalore, a music store here, a very popular music store actually. And I have got this at 23,500 rupees, and that's the price that you can get it for. I'll leave the buy link down in the description box. Please go ahead and check that out. If you're interested to buy, please go ahead and click on that link. And if you are not okay with clicking on the link, just call Soundglitz and you should be able to get this controller directly from them, and they will ship it across anywhere here in India. Having said that, now it's time to answer the most important question. Is this controller still worth buying in 2020? The short answer to that is yes, and for very good reason. And the long answer, here that goes. Now, in the past 6 months to 9 months, maybe a year, a lot has changed in the budget DJ controller market. Okay, there has been a lot of DJ controllers that are being released by companies like Hercules, companies like Denon, companies like Newmark. They've released some amazing budget DJ controllers. But still, the reason why the DDJ 400 still wins in comparison to all of that is 2 reasons. Number 1, the price, and number 2, the software integration. That's right, that is the biggest factor, and that is the reason why people still prefer buying a DDJ 400 over all of these other amazing DJ controllers in the budget range. Rekordbox DJ is a great piece of software, and with the release of Rekordbox 6, this is compatible right out of the box, and as soon as you connect the controller, Rekordbox 6 unlocks the performance mode, and you can just start using this controller just like you use your club equipment. And that is another great feature about this DDJ controller. I use the 2000 Nexus 2 every time I perform for any private party or club event, and then I come back home to this controller, and trust me, nothing really feels different apart from the size and just a few more buttons here and there. The performance pads are amazing. They act like my hot cues, just like on my CDJs. The jog dials are just alright because I like to use the smooth setting, and this is exactly what it is. And then even the tempo fader is the only thing which was a little scary to use in the beginning. I thought that is the first thing that will go bad, but no, the tempo faders are still definitely manageable. Another great thing is the loop in and loop out buttons. I really like looping my tracks when I'm mixing, and having this on this DDJ controller is really helpful to me as a DJ and to my performance. And just like I said, it is as close as it can get to club standard DJ equipment, even the mixer, and then you also have the effects rack, and all of this work perfectly well with the Rekordbox DJ software. Keeping all of these things in mind, I would still be able to recommend this DDJ controller to anybody, any beginner DJ who's willing to buy their first DJ controller, who are a bit more serious. And if you're just starting off, and if you have no clue about DJing, and if you're just interested in the art, you can go for the DDJ 200, which is exactly the same just like this. It works just like this. Just a few buttons here and there are not available on the 200, but the DDJ 400 is the perfect size. It fits in the bag. It is easy to travel with, and what else is left to say? I think it is the perfect DJ gear or the perfect DJ controller that a beginner DJ can own. Now, having said that, if you're not a record box DJ and if you are a DJ who uses Serato or Tractor or any other DJ software like Virtual DJ or Algorithm DJ, you might want to check out some other DJ controllers which are also available for much cheaper. Even if they're a little more expensive, they are a better bang for buck. I'm talking about the Impulse 500 from Hercules DJ. That is another great DJ controller for Serato DJ. And if you want to stick to the Pioneer DJ brand, then you can go for the SB3. I've already made an unboxing video about that. You can check that out as well. But overall, the DDJ 400 is still an amazing piece of gear. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video talking about the DDJ 400 in 2020, unboxing this beautiful piece of gear and talking about if it's still relevant in 2020, and I hope that I was able to answer your question. Please let me know down in the comments below if you have any more questions or suggestions or queries, and I will be more than happy to answer all of them. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is DJ Bhamra. If you have any questions, you can ask me there as well, and I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.